How you doing? Dave Baradinelli here with MarineMax Boston, and today I'm going to take you aboard the brand new 280 Boston Whaler Vantage. Starting in the aft, this boat has the optional 300 Mercury V8s, and this boat is equipped with the optional joystick as well. Coming into the aft here, you'll see this beautiful transom seat. This boat has been all redesigned for Whaler, including this transom seat. You can see how deep it is, the backrest, and now they've added a nice grab rail here, so it's easy to deploy as well as take out. We've added a live well here on the transom. We've added 2 in-deck fish boxes, both port and starboard. And one of the huge benefits to the new 280, of course, is this beautiful dive door. And you can see how nicely this is finished, and this opens up. And of course, there's a swim ladder that goes in here. This boat's equipped with the full enclosure, as you can see. The hardtop's been redesigned. You've got these beautiful rocket launchers now as well. Moving forward on the starboard side, you do have a rear-facing seat. You've got an abundance of storage underneath. And you've got a nice chlorine countertop with the freshwater sink. Coming over here on the port side, you've got our traditional beautiful seat here. You can see how nicely finished it is. Very, very easy to move this forward if you want. And this will lay all the way down. So you've got a nice seat here. And this you can lift up, creating a forward-facing seat. So very versatile seat. Underneath there, you'll see that's where our beautiful stainless steel swim ladder is for the dive door as well. Coming forward on the port side, here's our head. This door has been all redesigned, so much easier to get in and out. It does have a magnetic stay, so it will stay open. Sea deck on the floor as well as chlorine countertop, really nicely appointed. On the starboard side, here we've got our helm. You can see our beautiful acrylic dash, Ray Marine electronics, all built in, fusion radio, Mercury Smartcraft gauges. You can see how nicely everything is all labeled and backlit. And then here you'll see our digital throttles, our joystick, and our active trim, which is also an option. And you can see ergonomically everything is where it's supposed to be. Coming forward, you'll notice this brand new enclosure, how this is all powder coated and integrated into the boat. So very sturdy, does not rattle. You've got a door here, so you can shut this off to the bow, as well as this windshield. And that way there you can be completely enclosed when running the boat in any kind of inclement weather. Coming forward, the bow area, you can see we've redesigned it, so we now have a pointed, more traditional bow, but you still have a ton of room up here in the bow. And what's nice now is in the bow here, you can have an anchor windlass, and if you want to get an optional boarding, beach boarding ladder, you can as well too, whereas you could not on the old boat. Forward, you'll also notice we do have a freshwater rinse down. And underneath here, this is a great storage area, you'll see. And under here, you can now store your fishing rods, your 5-gallon bucket, as well as your optional bow table, you can see. Again, Dave Baradinelli with MarineMax Boston on the brand new Boston Whaler 280 Vantage. For more information, please call me at 401-569-3874. Thanks for joining us.